Charlie Wall, big dot truck, I'll see you.
Good morning, LB.
Good morning, Peter Pan, what's up?
You know, much, just out here reading on the mail.
Tell that would be our key on it, Peter Pan 31, got hello Peter Pan 321. That's Peter Pan with Tinkerbell. Hey, that would be that's Peter Pan with I got them all on that would be Peter Pan 31, goddamn.
Behave yourself, 31, man. Why you trying to kill my neighbor?
Long screen. Bahamas, looking for condition, breaker.
Hey, 31, man. I'm going to sit back and read some of this mail. Put it on you later. 31 in the Mobile, old Peter got down.
Peter, take care. You got that thing smoking this morning. 31 Mobile got.
No, say that too loud, man. I ain't really got nothing out here. Put it on you later, 31. I'm back in the bushes.
Well, I'm working the low side of this baby goat this morning. Hey, Peter, I'm not in no big black truck this morning. I'm working the low side of this baby ghost rider. Bye.
Well, the low side of that baby ghost rider got a whole bunch of boys out there in the background. Put it on you later. Mr. 31, while you're on the low side of that baby ghost rider, old Peter Pan got down.
Come on, Peter Pan. Peter Pan, chainsaw with him on the way, we got down.
Good morning, right back, Chainsaw. You came up from my radar, you own the place out here. Hello, Chainsaw, Peter, right back.
Yeah, Peter, I gotta get up out here and go in the kitchen. Gotta check it out, get my good morning way, man. Hey, Peter, chainsaw got down.
And I appreciate you taking time out from going to that kitchen to give me a good morning, babe. Hello, once again, Chainsaw. You sounded good in my hood. Old Peter got down.
Hello, Papa 31. Say good morning. Tell Chainsaw say good morning. Bye.
Hey, 31, you been and gone, man. Hey, 31, old Chainsaw been and gone. He said he going to the kitchen. He just took time out to be able to phone a warrant to me. Hello, once again, 31. The old Peter got down.
Yeah, we always are.
Who's that one over here Tinkerbell at?
That's 31. They call it 31 Tinkerbell.
You say they called 31 Tinkerbell?
You better not worry about what they call me. You better get his Pumkin yourself out of there. 31
If he keyed, I didn't know. Hey, 31, if he keyed, I didn't know. Hello, right. Hello, right back, 31. Old Peter got down.
Pumkin head is a mud duck. Hey, Peter, Pumkin head is a mud duck on his birthday, I see. Come there.
Why you want to say Pumkin head is a mud duck on his birthday? Hey, 31, why you want to say that Pumkin head be a mud duck on his birthday? Come on. Yeah, come on, Chainsaw.
Yeah, sure, that's real, man. Are you sure? Let me ask you. Sure, try to,
Hey, Chainsaw, come on.
Yeah, you tell that boy with that birthday, with that big head, you tell him I said good morning to Peter Pan, Chainsaw, go.
Hey, Pumkin head Chainsaw wanted me to tell you happy birthday. He wanted me to pass the fire and say happy birthday to you. I ruled it like you told it, Chainsaw. I'm back quiet.
Thank you. Hey, Peter Pan, tell him I thank you. And tell him we don't want no bike dog, Peter. Tell him 31 Chainsaw don't want no bike dog, baby.
Hey, Chainsaw, he was just keying up to say thank you, man. He was just keying up to say he thank you for them birthday wishes, but you bumped it down and say you don't want no back talk. Why you want to tell the man happy birthday, and when he kept to thank you, you want to say you don't want no back talk? I'm gone.
Got 31 saying there. Be quiet. Hey, Peter, tell Tinkerbell to be quiet. Tell Tinker to be quiet.
Yeah, okay, you want me to tell Tinkerbell, you want me to tell 31 be quiet. You keying up in there all the time. Hello, once again, Pumkin head, old Peter got down.
That's right. No, he tell that guy he can't tell me nothing. I ain't no Tinkerbell. He walk like Tinkerbell. Take care of Peter Pan, 31. Got
Put it on your leg, 31. You say you ain't no Tinkerbell. He walk like Tinkerbell. Put it on your leg, 31. Old Peter got down.
Look at just sound like my freaking head on the mall, baby.
You sound real funny. He sound real funny, that's how he sound. He sound real funny, that break.
You sound real funny. Good morning, James. Peter, can I hold a DC on? Can I hold a DC on, baby?
Yeah, you can hold DC. He popped out like Jack in the Box. He popped out like Jack in the Box. Is that Roger?
Good morning, James. Okay, I'm just warming up this big dog. I think I'm going to have to warm up this big dog.
Yeah, Terra, I think that big side is too much for them, man. I think that big side is too much for them boys to break.
Tell him I don't need no big dog for him because he's a mud dog. He's a big fat pointed-head mud dog.
I guess you can hear him. Because he keep that said he gonna need it. You bump it down and say you repeat everything he said. So I guess you can hear him that break. That boy coming hard, man. He wanna make it rough. That break. You want me to tell Tinkerbell be quiet? Be quiet? He fighting back real hard, old Peter, right back.
Hey, Peter, I did key, but I keyed this time. Bye.
You say you didn't key, but you keyed this time. I heard him in the background. You say you didn't key, but you keyed this time. Hello once again, old Peter, right back.
I can't stand out here and whoop Pumkin head all day because he's a test dummy. Hey, Peter, I can't stand out here and whoop Pumkin head all day because he's a test dummy. Bye.
Not only that, it's his birthday, man. You say you can't stay out here and whipping all day. All day. That's what you said, but it's his birthday, too. Hello, right back. Oh, Peter got down.
Give it up, Peter. Tell Pumkin here, just give it up and let leave me alone. I'm pissed off. Muhammad looking, baby.
You want him to give him up? You want him to give it up? You want the boy to give it up and leave you alone? That's what you said. Come on.
Tell him to shut me out here. Hey, Peter Pan, tell him no condition. 321 Nassau.
And them boys around Bahamas coming up in here and taking over the damn show. What you boys gonna do about that?
I ain't worried about them Catholic banana pizzas in the Bahamas. I'm not worried about them banana pizzas. I ain't worried about no Pumkin. 31 10,000 Pumkin.
You say you don't worry about no banana pickers out there in Bahamas, and you don't worry about no damn Pumkin. And when you get off that mall, I heard Pumkin head popped out. Hello once again, old Peter, right back.
Hey, Peter, I'm gone now. I'm gone, Peter. Won't be back. Gone. Bye.
I appreciate the key down to get back, man. Leave them boys alone. You say you ain't going to be back, you can let them boys get their radio back. Put it on you later. I'm on the mail.
Let them know Daddy Warren, the bishop in the Mobile is down and all. Let them know the bishop Daddy Warren in the Mobile is down and all. Peter, bye-bye.
I'll be sure to let them know you signing off so they don't be passing no bogus fives. Hey, Pumkin. Hey, 31 say he be signing off, man. He ain't coming back, he be signing off. So don't be out there passing no bogus fives. That's what he said, Bishop 31. I wrote it like you told it, and I got down.
Yeah, but I already got that. I'm listening to that mud duck. I ain't saying nothing. I'm just listening to that mud duck.
Yeah, Tenrada. You say you heard it. You sitting back and you reading on your radio. You say you sitting back and you listening to the radio. You reading the mail. You heard everything he said. I'm gonna pull this thing back too and read on some of this mail. 31. Pumkin head. Old Peter got down.
What's going on? Why don't you quit getting up on people? Here with the research